this is what it's all about. It's all about getting together with homies and friends, having a good day out in the desert, you know, with your vehicle. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your dude Black Cat here. Today is going to be a cool day. We are out here in Cal City. I'm here with the Forerunner, with all my Central California dudes, plus some. We've got like 20 trucks out here today, and we're gonna go for some cruises and do some stuff. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take you guys along the way, and yeah, I think we're gonna have a good day today. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode and stick with us, and it's gonna be action packed. So right now we're in Cal City, California City. We're right outside of California City. We're gonna do a run right now to Ransburg, have some lunch, and then I think on the way back we're gonna hit some cool spots. There's some jumps, there's some whoops, there's some big turns and whatnot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and we're gonna take you along with us for today. And yeah, so let's do this. All right, so we made it down the road a little ways. This is kind of, you know, nice, smooth, graded stuff. I imagine we'll get into some heavier stuff in a minute. But as you can see behind me, man, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, like 15 trucks, man. So let's hope that this all goes smoothly and we all stick together, because, you know, a bunch of dudes with trucks is like herding a bunch of cats. So, but right now we're moving along, and then we'll find a cool spot to hit some jumps or whatever, and we'll cut to that. And then we'll show you guys what we got going on. So let's go. All right, so first stop, right next to the Explorer right here is a nice little jump. I think somebody's gonna hit right now. This jump's kind of sketchy because you got this fence right here, and then you got this big ass Joshua tree like right at the landing. The homie Brad is the obvious king of this jump, so we're gonna hop in with him and go for a ride. Be nice to me.
Oh yeah, we'll do.
All right, let's get some in cab. I'm gonna take you guys along with me in this truck here, and we'll see, give you guys a little taste of what it's like to hit a decent sized jump in a Prerunner. On to the next spot. Okay. Brandon, what's the next spot, brother?
Ransburg, I believe.
Okay.
Yep.
How far?
15 miles.
Oh, easy peasy.
It's cool though, going through the canyon and everything through here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're gonna go that way.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, left.
All right, just had lunch in Ransburg, had some street tacos, they were bomb. Now we're over here in Johannesburg. We took road here. There's a little mountain road over here at the Texaco, getting some fuel, and then we're back on the trail. I don't know, some sort of trail back to camp. Gonna find some cool stuff along the way, and hope you guys are enjoying this so far. This is what it's all about. It's all about getting together with homies and friends, and having a good day out in the desert, you know, with your vehicle, whether you built it or you bought it, doesn't matter. Had lunch, got some gas, now we're back on it, back on the trail. So let's go. Hey man, having a good time?
Yeah. Glad to be not home.
Right? Yeah.
Out in the desert.
Good day.
Out.
A good day with your boys.
Oh yeah.
You guys having a good time?
Oh yeah.
It's such a big group. How about you guys? You guys having a good time?
Oh yeah. Yep. Eating the dust up.
Yeah, just eating the dust. This thing got AC or what?
Nope.
It's not sealed either? Oh man. So you just have open windows? Just again.
Yeah.
That's alright, that's alright. Alright, so we're heading to the prison. We're gonna go down 395 a little ways, then hop into the dirt, and then go to the prison, and there's some cool jumps and stuff over there, so here we go. Let's go. Alright, so that was the prison. We got, you know, rat a little drop off. We got this cool jump right here. The guys are getting pretty big. So now the sun's starting to go down. We're gonna head up here. Some of these guys are gonna do some donuts on a couple concrete pads up here, and then we'll head back to camp. So yeah, it's been a rad day. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video so far, and let's go watch these guys do some donuts. That's it. Nice day of mobbing around. Now we're going to head back to camp. Wam and I are gonna head home. These guys are gonna eat some tacos and have a good night. So really hope you guys enjoyed the video and kind of cruising around with us today. Just remember, if you guys like what we're doing here at Terra Crew, you like our videos, make sure to drop a comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, so we can keep doing what we're doing and bring you guys awesome content. With that, oh, what's going on here?